Okay, good morning to everybody. Today we'll start an important uh, part of engineering application, the Fourier series. So before knowing that Fourier series, we must know about the basic concepts of periodic function, odd function, and even function. First of all, what is periodic function? Okay, so a function f of x is said to have period capital T or to be periodic with period t if for all x f of x plus capital T equals to f of x. That means capital T is repeatedly constant, so capital T will be periodic. If for any capital T, if this function is satisfied, then the function will be called periodic function. For example, sine x is the periodic function, and sine x plus twice pi equals to sine x plus 4 pi plus equals to f of x, all will be what? Period with period what? Twice pi, capital D. And in graphical representation, this is the minus pi plus pi, and sine curve will passes through the origin. Okay, sine 0 equals to 0, this is pi. Sine curve will passes through the origin and pi and twice pi. So this is the period, one period, capital T. Okay, so this is the example of periodic function. Okay, now what is odd function? Odd function and even function. So if any function f of x can be written as f of minus x equals to f of x, then the function is called even function. So if any function f of x can be written as like this, that means if we replace the variable with minus x, if we replace x by minus x, then we get the original function f of x. In that case, the function will be what? Even function. For example, f of x equals to x square. Okay, if we replace minus x, then we get what? So f of minus x equals to what? F of x. So this is what? Even function. Okay, even function. On the other hand, if any function, and this is the definition of what? Definition of even function. Now what will be the definition of odd function? What will be the definition of odd function? Odd function will be, if any function of x can be written as like this, f of minus x equals to minus f of x, then the function is called what? Odd function. Suppose this is the x cube. Okay, suppose this is x cube, then it will be odd function, because if we replace x by minus x, then we get what? Minus x cube. That means what? This will be minus f of x. So satisfy this condition. So this is the example of odd function, and previous one was the example of even function. Okay, now what is Fourier series? Uh, after knowing what is periodic function, what is odd function and even function, now we are defining the Fourier series. What will be the Fourier series? Actually, this is a series consists of sine and cosines, okay, uh, of any angle. Now what will be the Fourier series? So for defining this, a series of, definition will be a series of sine and cosine of an angle. This will be sines and cosines of an angle and its multiples of the form, and its multiple the forms. What will be the multiple of the form? Suppose any constant a, first for n equals to 0, a naught plus divided by 2 plus a1 cos x plus a2 cos twice x plus dot dot an cos nx plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin twice x plus dot dot plus bn sin nx. This is actually combined series of sine and cosine, and this whole series can be written as like this: a naught by 2 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. This is actually, this series is called Fourier series. Fourier series where a1, where a naught, a1, a2 dot dot an, b1, b2 dot dot bn are all constant. Okay, constants. So the Fourier series, in this Fourier series, all constants a and b combinedly called Fourier coefficients, and a is called Fourier cos coefficients, and all b is called Fourier sine coefficients. Remember it: cos coefficients and sine coefficients. Now some useful integrals we have to use in the result of Fourier series problem. Suppose 0 to twice pi integration sine nx dx, what will be 0. And another one, 0 to twice pi cos nx also 0, and 0 to twice pi sine square nx dx equals to what will be only pi. You can solve this at your home, and cos square will be also, and number 4, 0 to twice pi cos square nx dx, what will be also pi. And sin mx cos nx also pi. This useful result we have to remember. Okay, how we can determine the coefficients, all coefficients in Fourier series. That means the determination of Fourier series by Euler method, we can find out this A naught in our the definition of Fourier series, A naught for n equals to 0, and for all every n we can find out n using this relation, and bn equals to be sine coefficient, and n will be cos coefficient, n naught will be okay cos coefficient, but for n equals to 0, cos 0 equals to what? Cos 0 equals to 1. This is why a naught is cos free. Okay, but from this relation, if n equals to 0, sin 0 equals to what? N equals to 0. If n equals to 0, sin 0 equals to 0. Okay, this is why b naught equals to 0. Remember it. And a naught equals to not 0, because cos 0 equals to what? 1. So b naught does not exist because sin 0 equals to 0. And this is the by Euler methods. By using this Euler method, we can find out every coefficients. That means Fourier coefficients. And this is the A is the cos coefficients and B is the sine coefficients. Now we will try to solve an example using this. Now one example, first example, how to find Fourier series of any function by using Euler method. So find the Fourier series representing f of x equals to x, where x lies between 0 and twice pi, and sketch the graph from x equals to minus 4 pi to x equals to plus 4 pi. Actually, how we can find this Fourier series of this function? Let f of x equals to, you must know the formula a naught divided by Fourier series a1 cos x plus a2 cos twice x plus dot dot plus an cos nx plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin twice x plus dot dot plus bn sin nx. Okay, plus dot dot infinity, because it is infinite series. Remember it. And this is equation number 1, this Fourier series. Now a naught equals to, what was the formula? 1 by pi 0 to twice pi, because x lies between 0 and twice pi. F of x dx 1 by pi. This f of x means what? Only x. Okay, only x. Just putting f of x equals to x. So this is a simple integration. X formula what?
X square
by 2. Then putting the limit within the third bracket, we get what? 1 by pi multiply 4 pi square divided by 2. That means we get pi cut, 4 and 2 cut, only twice pi. So a naught equals to twice pi. And what will be? 1 by pi 0 to twice pi. F of x equals to what? F of x cos nx
dx.
Cos nx dx. Now 1 by pi 0 to twice pi. F of x equals to what was given? X cos nx dx. 1 by pi. Now what will be the integration of this? Actually, this is the UB process. We have to use UB process. Okay. UB, integration of UB, what will be? U into u into integration of b minus differentiation of u d dx of u integration of b, again the whole integration. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So we can write 1 by pi from this line. Cos nx integration what will be? This is the actually definite integral, remember it. 0 to twice pi and 0 to twice pi. Cos x formula what will be?
Cos nx
Sine.
minus cos nx by n square.
Cos x formula what? Sine. Dividing with the coefficient of x. Okay. Dividing with the coefficient
Yes,
of x. Minus, this is 1 x differentiation. Now cos formula what will be? Sine. Sine nx divided by n. 0 to twice pi dx. This equals to, can be written as 1 by pi x sine nx divided by n minus sine formula what? Minus cos. Okay.
minus
Minus cos
cos
nx
nx
divided by n
n
into
square
n will be n square. And limit will be 0 to twice pi.
twice.
So just putting x equals to twice pi, we get what? X equals to twice pi. Here sin twice pi what? 0. Okay. Sin twice pi will be 0. Now cos
Cos
twice
2n pi
n pi divided by
n
n
square
square. Then minus putting 0. 0 will be, this will be minus cos 0 equal to 1. So 1 by
n
n
square.
square. And this is the result for an. So cos twice and pi equals to what? N square pi, taking n square common. Okay, 1 minus 1. Okay, so this will be 0. So n will be 0 because cos twice n pi equals to what? 1. Again, bn, what will be bn? 1 by pi 0 to twice pi f of x sine nx dx. 0 to 1 by pi 0 to twice pi f of x equals to what? X sine nx dx. Now again UV process. So using the same procedure, we get the result. Now what will be the result? 1 by pi u into integration of sine. Integration of sine nx, what will be? Sine nx. Sine nx integration what will be?
Cos nx by n
Minus cos nx by n. Okay. Minus cos, then minus differentiation of x will be 1 and sine integration what will be? Minus cos nx by n, but against cos differentiation. So we get minus
minus sin nx by n square.
sine nx by n square, right? And limit will be 0 to twice
Twice
pi.
pi.
Integration will be finished. Okay. So from this line, 1 by pi, putting x equals to twice pi, We can write what? Minus twice pi cos minus twice pi cos and twice n pi divided by n. And sin twice pi will be 0. Again, putting n equals to 0 here. Sorry, x equals to 0, we get this term 0 and this also
0.
0. So we get only this term. So this equals to what? Cos twice n pi equals to what? Cos twice n pi equals to 1. So 1 by pi minus twice pi divided by n. Pi will be cancelled.
Minus 2 by n.
Minus 2 by n. Minus 2 by n. Now substituting the values. Now substituting the values in one, that means in Fourier series, just putting all the values, we get f of x equals to what? F of x equals to x. Okay, f of x equals to x. So x equals to can be written as what will be x? A naught equals to what? Twice pi. So twice pi by 2 equals to what will be? Only pi. A1. N equals to 1 equals to 0. That means A1 equals to 0. A2 equals to all A will be what? 0. N equals to 1, 2, 3, all A will be what? 0. Now just putting sine function. B1 equals to what? N equals to 1. N equals to 1. N equals to 2. N equals to 3. We get a series like this. Minus 2 common. N equals to 1 what? Only 1. 1 into sine. That means sine x. Sine x. N equals to 2 what will be? Sine twice x by 2 half sine twice x plus 1 by 3 sine thrice x plus dot dot. This is a required Fourier series function. Now we can plot easily this function like this. This is the x-axis and this is the f of x along y-axis. This is 0, 0. And suppose this is the twice pi and this is the 4 pi. Okay, this is twice pi. And this will be minus pi and this will be minus twice pi. Okay, so this will be the required function. Okay, this is the required graph of function for the function f of x equals to x. Now the second example, example 2, how to find the Fourier series representing f of x equals to x plus x square, where x lies between minus pi to plus pi, and deduce this series pi square by 6 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square equals to infinity. Let f of x equals to same series, and this is the equation number 1. And a naught what will be? 1 by pi f of x dx, but range will be what? Range will be minus pi to plus pi. Remember it. F of x dx minus pi to plus pi. And here function will be changed. Function will be what? X plus x square dx. So this integration what will be? This integration
1 by pi x square plus
x plus x square integration what will be? X square by 2
x square by 2 plus
x cube by 3, right? Minus pi to plus pi. Just putting all these values. Upper limit, first of all, upper limit in the place of x equals to pi. We get what? Pi square by 2
plus pi square
plus
by 3
pi cube by 3.
plus
Similarly, plus pi square by 2 and minus pi cube by 3. Okay. So pi cube by 3, pi cube by 3 will be cancelled.
Sir, minus pi square by 2 plus pi cube by 3.
Right. There will be minus and there will be minus plus. Okay. So pi square by 2 will be cancelled. So pi cube by 3, twice pi cube by 3 we get. So this equals to actually we get what? Twice pi by 3. Okay. So twice pi square by 3. Pi cube by 3, 1 pi will be cancelled. So we get only what? Twice pi square by 3. Twice pi square by 3. Now what will be the n? Same formula, but limit will be changed. Minus pi to plus pi and function minus pi to plus pi, but the function will be changed to what? X plus x square cos nx. X plus x square cos nx dx. Now here UV process. Okay. U into integration of b 1 by pi in x plus x square into what will be?
Sin nx by n.
X plus x square into sine nx by n, then minus differentiation of this twice x plus 1, again integration sine nx integration what will be?
Minus cos nx by n.
Minus cos nx by n square will be. Okay. Then plus again differentiation of this twice x plus 1 differentiation what? Only 2. Okay. Twice x differentiation only 2. No problem. So this 2 and again differentiation integration of this cos integration what? Sine. It will be n cube, right? Minus pi to plus pi. Now putting upper limit and lower limit, we get First of all, putting x equals to pi, we get pi plus pi square, but sin pi will be what? 0. So, and cosine pi equals to, so this twice pi plus 1, we get twice pi plus 1, this equals to 1 by twice pi plus 1, what will be cos n pi divided by
And
n square minus,
minus 2 pi plus 1.
and this will be also 0 for x equals to for x equals to pi. Now putting minus pi will be this also 0, and this term will be exist only. So we get minus twice pi plus 1, and cos will be what? Cos n pi, okay, divided by n square. And for minus pi, this will be also 0, and this also 0, because cos n pi equals to what? Sin n pi equals to 0. And cos minus theta equals to what? Cos theta. This is why minus absorbed. Now from this line we can write this cos n pi by n square will be common. So we get common twice pi plus 1 minus twice minus what? Plus. So 1 will be cancelled. We get only 4 pi. Okay, 4 pi cos n pi divided by n square. But remember this, cos n pi equals to minus 1 to the power n. Minus 1 to the power n. Okay, for any values of n, we get the values this. Here will be 1 by 5. So 5 pi will be cancelled. We get only 4 into minus 1 to the power n divided by n square. Now similarly, bn, what will be? Bn. Similarly, bn will be what? Bn 1 by pi minus pi 2 plus pi f of x sine nx dx 1 by pi minus pi 2 plus pi f of x will be what? S square sine nx dx. Now what will be the integration? U into integration of b. Okay, x plus x square sine nx integration, what will be? What will be? Minus cos nx divided by n minus differentiation of this twice x plus 1 integration of this minus sine nx divided by n square plus differentiation of this, what will be? Only 2, and integration of this, what will be? Minus cos. Okay, minus will be plus, so cos nx divided by n cube. Limit will be minus pi to plus pi. Understand everybody? Now putting x equals to pi, here, we get pi plus pi square. What will be? Cos minus cos n pi divided by n. Minus sin pi will be 0, and this will be exist. Okay, so 2 cos n pi divided by n cube minus pi plus minus pi plus pi square minus minus n pi divided by n. Again, this term will be, if we put x equals to minus pi, this will be 0. So we get this term. So plus or minus minus 2 cos minus n pi divided by n cube. This term and this term will be same, because cos minus n pi means cos n pi, same. So minus cos n pi will be common. Then we get pi square and pi square will be key. What? Cancelled. So pi plus pi, what will be? Twice pi. So we get minus twice pi by n, minus twice pi by n cos n pi. So another term will be minus 2 cos n pi by n cube minus 2 cos n pi by n cube. This will be plus. So this and this will be cancelled. So we get only this one. Pi pi will be cancelled. So we get what will be? Minus 2 by n. Minus 2 by n minus 1 to the power n. Okay. So this is the series sine coefficient and cos coefficient. Okay, now putting the values of a naught, an and bn in equation 1, we get the required Fourier series. So after this line, now substituting the values a naught, an and bn in equation 1. That means in equation 1 f of x equals to what was? X plus x square. What will be? A naught value what? A naught value what was? Twice pi square by 3. So a naught by 2 means what? Pi square by 3. Okay. Plus a naught value what? 4 by n square. 4 by n square. That means 4 will be common. 4 will be common. For n equals to 1, minus cos x plus 1 by 2 square cos twice x minus 1 by 3 square cos thrice x plus dot dot. Now putting the values of bn. Bn equals to what? And common will be minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 2 for n equals to 1. For n equals to 1, we get b1 equals to what? Minus 1. So minus sin x minus plus 1 by 2 n equals to 2 sin twice x minus 1 by 3 sin thrice x sin thrice x plus dot dot. This is equation number 2. Now in this equation, if we put now if x equals to pi, if x equals to pi, then from 2 we get what? Pi plus pi square equals to what will be? Pi plus pi square equals to what will be? Pi square by 3 plus 4 into 4 into what will be? Cos pi equals to what? Minus 1. Okay, minus minus plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square plus dot dot. We get a series like this: 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square. Okay, plus dot dot. So this is another equation, equation number 3. Now if x equals to minus pi, then from 2 we can write what? If x equals to minus pi, x equals to minus pi, then minus pi plus pi square equals to what will be? Pi square by 3. This term will be 0. Sin pi, all sin pi will be 0. Remember it. For x equals to pi, all term will be 0. This is why we are not writing this part. So now for if x equals to minus pi, just putting x equals to minus pi here, we get 4 same result. Okay, 4 into 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square, because cos minus theta equals to cos theta. This is why we get same result. This is equation number 4. Now adding this two equation, if we add these two equation, adding these two equation, equation 3 and 4, what will be? Pi will be cancelled. Twice pi equals pi square equals to what? Twice pi square by 3. 4 what will be? 8. 1 by 1 2 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 4 square plus dot dot. Okay, now dividing by from this line we can write 2 pi square minus 2 pi square by 3 equal to 8. This series. Now this can be written as 6 pi square minus 2 pi, 4 pi square by 3 equals to 8, 1 by 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square dot dot. So from this line we can write actually dividing by 8 on both sides. We get pi square by 6 equals to what will be this series. Okay, this is the required result, and this can be written as also a series like this 1 by n square for n equals to 1 to infinity. Okay, that means pi square by 6 equals to, can be written as like this. Okay, where pi including, and pi including in a series, in a Fourier series, very important and interesting result. Okay, same example, find the Fourier series for the function defined by f of x equals to minus x if x lies between minus pi to 0, and f of x equals to 0 will be 0 if x lies between 0 and pi, and this is the here period is twice pi. Okay, in this function period is twice pi, and this is the graphical depiction for this for every values of x equals to minus pi, x equals to minus twice pi, we get this. There's the general expression for a naught and bn, that means a is the cos coefficient and b is the sine coefficient. Okay, we have to find out these values just using this formula. We have used this formula in our previous example. Now a naught what will be? Pi by 2, because a naught equals to what? 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x, and 1 by pi minus pi to 0, because f of x lies between what? For x equals to f of x equals to minus x, x lies between what? Minus pi to 0. Just putting this, we get pi by 2. Now for this, for the n coefficient, cos coefficient n, we get this using this formula, we get the same result. And for n equals to odd, we get n equals to minus twice by pi n square when n is odd. But if n is even, we get n equals to 0. Remember it. So because n equals to n can be calculated like this. Okay, cos n pi equals to what? Minus 1 to the power n. So but cos n pi equals to 1 for n is even, and minus 1 for n equals to odd. Remember it. So similarly, we can find out bn for n equals to n equals to even, we get bn equals to minus 1 by n, and for n is odd, bn equals to 1 by n, because this using same formula. So bn equals to, we get two depending on cos n pi, we get two values of bn. One is minus 1 by n and another is 1 by n. If n is odd, we get 1 by n. If n is even, we get bn equals to minus 1 by n. So we get n equals to what? Pi by 2, n equals to 0 for n equals to even, and this for n is odd. So bn equals to two values depending on odd and even. So f of x is this is the result. So try it at home. Easy maths. Okay, thanks to everybody. So we have done actually 3 examples. How to find the series expansion by using Fourier series, just using Euler method, finding the differential Fourier coefficients. Okay, Fourier coefficients by using Euler method. Okay, thanks to everybody. Bye for today.